Hey, I love you. Okay. I just got this package in the mail. And I'm gonna open it and show you how easy it is to put together. So, I mean, the box is pretty dang beat up, but most of my boxes lately have just been completely annihilated. So, just gonna open that. Have you guys been having like destroyed packages lately, or they take forever to get to you? Because I sure as heck have been having those issues. From what I've seen, this is like insanely easy to set up. It's just hard to pull out of the box. Okay. Hey Jess, how are you? What's happening? Okay, so it does come in like a travel carry bag, okay? And then just all in zips. Oh yeah, this is gonna be easy assembly. Sorry, it's probably insanely loud. But I should be having the baby within like the next week to week and a half. So the things that I didn't have with the first are showing up, and I'm really excited. So, sorry, there's a lot of zip ties that I wasn't expecting. Give me a sec. Okay, can I just tell you first off that this matches my my aesthetic. Okay, Jess, this is I don't know if you saw my review, my IGTV last week of the double stroller I got, but this is a bedside sleeper from the same company. So it comes with your travel bag if you want to take it, if you want to travel with it. Okay, so this is the base. Let me take these 8 things off, protectors, and let me scooch this back a teeny bit. Okay, so here's the base. I think you just pull it out. Not quite sure. Maybe you have to press the button on both sides. Yeah, so you press the buttons on both sides. And that gives you a little shelf down here. And then here's like your bassinet part. And it has these fold in for traveling. Then you flip them out. And then, oh, let's see. They just line up. And slide down in. Dang, that was super nice. Okay, just a sec. And I'll show you like the whole thing. Yeah, easiest setup ever. Okay, so let's see, can I flip this? Okay, so it's literally 2 pieces, this base and then this, and so it can go up to different sizes, different heights, depending on like the height of your bed, because it's technically a bedside sleeper, okay? Let's see, so I'll show you this way so I can see. Okay, so here it is. You press these buttons on both sides, for it to go up or down to adjust to the height of your bed. And then, okay, that's not hooked on. And then this comes and zips down and down. And then it can scooch up right to the edge of your bed, and you don't have to go up and over the little edge. Dang. And it's also pretty, so that's like a big bonus. But then this bar just slides back on and clicks in place, and there's little buttons under here. So that was easily the quickest setup that I've ever done of like a bassinet. And it's nice that it has like the shelf under here for like diapers and, you know, all the middle of the night essentials. But you guys, this company has really been amazing to work with. They're Venus Child. I literally have their double stroller right there, and we go on like at least 2 walks a day. So if you're in the market for like a bassinet or a stroller, highly would recommend them. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Bye.